Hello, Brian here from Cool Ideas Marketing with the 3-in-1 lanyard. So this is a lanyard. You can clip your name badge onto the hook here and have this, but this is also a phone charging cable. So you just press this. This plugs into your USB charger or your computer or however you like to charge your phone. This plugs into your iPhone, Android, or the new C-type chargers. So you can charge your phone with your lanyard. This is the cord acts as the charging cord for your phone. So you've got this, and then you can plug this back into so your phone charging cord goes with you wherever you go. This is a great new item. Check it out. Thank you.